Namaste all. Hi. Sankhya Yoga. Arjuna is continuing his words. Rather, he thinks himself knowing something and saying something, but others felt he is a weak person. A weak person will be muttering something always, because he cannot resist, he cannot defend, and he is not able to face his defeat. So that's why he needs to get back. Here also, these muttering words of Arjuna, really irritating for Bhagavan. We can think that if any of us would have been there, these words will irritate you. So, muttering is the symbol of weakness. Muttering is the symbol of your fear to face a failure. If you are a human being, if you are a being even, you must have both failure and victory. You never will be experiencing only one, that called victory. When victory is much lustring, we can think victory will shine more powerfully when you have had some bitter experiences, failing experiences or failed experiences. So attempts should have been there. Attempts have to be done there. Actions should be taken up there. The result will be only known after that. Without doing anything, how we can have a result? Only by saying, like some politicians, doing nothing, saying on. So words can not create anything. Words may be motivating you, but that cannot be creating something newly for you. Arjuna was muttering. He muttered as much as his possibility. So, even when we read this, we feel irritating. We feel irritating words from Arjuna. Then what would be Bhagavan's position, Bhagavan's expression? So, you are not born to win only, you are born to fail also. Most of us are not ready to face any failure, not ready to lose anything, and cheering in the achievements, cheerful in the earnings. That is our biggest problem. Can you celebrate your failure? Can you celebrate your defeat? This is a life, not a military action. So, at least we have to be proud of what we are. Always. You are not able to do anything in this world. If you are aware of that, try to do something in this world. You have not that much Herculean ability to do everything in this world. You are not a god, but a symbol of God inside you. So you can do something. So Arjuna here saying, I can do nothing. I want to go back. I am not ready to even take a step forward. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गिरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. Again. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गिरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. I will cutting it. Na, no, cha and edel this vidmaha. Non. Kadaral in these both. Naha, to us. Gariyaha, great. Yal, which. Va, or. Jayema, win. Yadi, if. Va, or. Naha, to us. Jayeyuhu. Jayeyu means win, again win. Yan, which. Eva itself, Hatva, by killing. Na, no, Jijivishamaha, will live. Te, they, Avasthitaha, standing. Pramukhe, as opposite. Dhartarashtraha, the sons or the kings of Dhritarashtra. So this is the padas. If we edit it, Yadva Jayemaha, whether we win them, Yadva Naha Jayeyuhu, or they win us. Kadaral in these both. Naha, to us. Gariyaha, the great thing. Na cha etad vidmaha, I cannot understand. Yan eva, which itself. Or whom, which itself is the different meaning. Whom, here it means whom. Yaneva, Hatva, after killing. Na jijivishamaha, even we don't feel to live. Te dhartarashtraha, those, the kings or sons of Dhritarashtra, Pramukhe as the opposite side, Avasthidaha standing. So this is the edited form we have. And Arjuna is pitiably crying. Pitiably looks weak. Such a great personality, such a brave, such a bold personality like Arjuna saying this, because he says we don't know what is better. If they kill us or we kill them, which is the better thing, we don't know. China is intruding our areas, invading. We say, military say, we don't know what is better, if they kill us or we will kill them. Is this juncture, what will be done is the great thing, and they have done that, our military brave men. This is fight also in Mahabharata fight. Arjuna, he says now, like an important person, like a smug personality, he says, I don't know whether we killing them or they killing us is good for us. A fighter only sees always an enemy other side. A fighter's duty is to fight, not saying philosophies. That easy to deliver in a political rally, blaming the fighters. But they will dare you. If you are so much powerful, please come with us and fight with us. So things to be said are very easy, but to be got done much difficult. Execution is the symbol of a great man or a powerful man, whatever it is. If you kill a mass, you are determined to do that. If you have executed it successfully, that makes you a great or powerful man in the history. If Arjuna stands with his attitudes and got not advised by Bhagavan, what would be Arjuna's picture post Mahabharata war? And what would be the history of Mahabharata war? So, managing, handling, tackling. This is the 3 ways to your victory, or to your personality, rather. The way to make you a good person or great person. Hare Krishna, all these are our brothers, Dhartarashtraha, kins or sons of the Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra is our father's elder brother and father-like to us. How we would fight with them, such personalities? And if they got killed by us, what would be our future, or what would be our thinking at the future? If you want to do something, you don't look back and forth, or north or south, or up or down, you have to do something. Get it done. However, if you are so much confident of that thing, it's a good for society, do it. Why the hesitation? And we think what our neighbor will say, what our locals will say, what our friends will say. Better not to do anything. We stay as it is, we stand as it is, we sit as it is. It's never creating any personalities. You have to do something. Maybe you would be a Hitler, or you would be a Mahatma Gandhi. Maybe you would be a terrorist, or you would be a great philosopher, our great sage, Swami Vivekananda. So, by doing only your expressions or your thinkings got expressed, you have to do something. And unfortunately here Arjuna wants to do nothing. He don't want to become a great person. He don't want to become a foolish person. Neither nor. But he want to get back. Isn't this irritating something? When you are somewhere to do something, don't get back. You maybe cannot fulfill that mission, but don't get back without doing anything. You have a great soul in your heart, and the soul is always powerful, lustrous. The soul is always determined, and the will should be with the soul. Your duty is to make your will to be with your soul, and soul and will both got together. That togetherness would lead you to the ever victory, your determination, your destiny. So non-doing is not at all a resolution for anything. Doing is always a solution. Doing can resolve problems, because it means you are ready to do something. It will make your will to be with you, your soul. So doing is the best thing. Here Arjuna just tools escapism. So this is all negative side of Arjuna. I'm not blaming, I'm not degrading Arjuna, but in this particular condition, he behaves so. Na chaitad vidmah kataganno giriyo yadva jayema yadiva no jayeyuhu yaneva hatva na jijivishamaha Devasthitaha pramukhe dhartarashtraha. So, pickling is the problem of Arjuna. The pickling. is the problem. He falsely pride about his ability. He falsely pride about his knowledge. So it's a misunderstanding. Then what Bhagavan had to do? Bhagavan had to understanding, to make him understanding his ability. That done by Bhagavan after some shlokas. So today we are closing here. See you tomorrow by the next with the next shloka. Till there, goodbye, good day, be safe. Jai Shri.